Chest press technique with close grip is a great exercise for chest, triceps and shoulders. To perform it you will need 2 dumbbells and a flat bench. Back is flat on the bench. Feet are shoulder width apart and legs are forming 90-degree angle in knees. Hold dumbbells at sides with your elbows forming 90-degree angle so that upper arms are parallel to the ground. Face palms forwards. Fully extend arms by pushing the dumbbells up. As you extend arms, shoulder, elbows and wrists should form a straight line. When pressing the weight up, concentrate on keeping the balance and dumbbells under control.